Hello guys, this is Crazy Card 210 Gaming for another video, but this video is different from the others I've done. This video, every comment this video gets, I will place down 15 blocks. This is 15 blocks. So, every time someone comments, I'll place down 15 blocks. And also, every time someone else comments, I will give my friend one real life dollar. So, the challenge will end next week. I'll make another video telling how many comments there were. And please do not make me suffer. This is Crazy Card 210 Gaming signing out. I'll see you next week.